Welcome back to our channel, Tectonic. Today, we're diving into the world of household appliances as we explore the unsung heroes of laundry day, washers and dryers. Whether you're a laundry aficionado or just starting out on your own, having a reliable washer and dryer can make all the difference in maintaining clean and fresh clothes without the hassle. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive guide to choosing the perfect washer and dryer duo for your needs, discussing everything from types and capacities to energy efficiency and special features. So, if you're ready to upgrade your laundry game, don't go anywhere. Make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to learn all about washers and dryers. And without further ado, let's jump right into it.
About this item: electric all-in-one washer-dryer combo. This front-loader washer and dryer lets you add in dirty laundry to get it washed up and dried without ever removing it for a quick, Convenient wash/dry system that's fast and efficient. Adjustable wash and dry cycles. Along with a fast 20-minute wash cycle, there are 16 individual washing cycles and 4 drying cycles to better support clothes, towels, delicates, workout clothing, jeans, and other fabrics. Smart, space-saving combo unit is a 2-in-1 washer-dryer. This versatile unit is ideal for smaller spaces such as apartments, small homes, dorm rooms, or even an RV. It's ventless, which makes it easier to dry clothes without complicated setups. High-powered performance with LED display designed with a 1300 RPM max spin speed and easy-to-manage push-button operations system. We've made washing and drying clothes quicker, easier, and more convenient for men and women. All energy verified with manufacturer warranty. Service, safety, and reusability are all vital to our product effectiveness, which is why
Advanced Appliances makes washing and drying clothes in tight spaces or low water pressure a breeze. The Super Combo Easy 5500 CV is the ultimate in convenience. The front-loading washer and dryer in one is able to handle up to 18 pounds of laundry at a time. The smart technology determines exactly how much water is needed for each load to prevent any waste. You can even add a dropped sock after the machine has started. The drying cycle, which uses dual fans, systematically determines the right amount of heat and time needed to get the load dry. With the touch of a button, the unit is the only one in the world that can be switched from vented or condensed drying, depending on the season and your location. The 15 different programs make washing and drying everything from towels to stinky socks easy and convenient. The sanitize cycle is especially helpful when you need to kill any viruses or contagions. The water is heated to 165 degrees. The allergen cycle takes special care to eliminate dust mites and other common irritants that cause runny noses and scratchy throats. The antimicrobial baffles inside the stainless steel drum are designed to prevent bacteria growth. The self-clean option removes any dirt or mold that may have been left behind. The color-coded LED display makes this appliance easy to use immediately or on a programmed schedule. The built-in diagnostic makes quick work of solving any problems.